my quarter-inch ratchet's missing, so what I've got here is I've got the 7mm and I've got a pair of pliers, and that's how I'm going to have to take these out. I said D6 Spanky. The letter D, the number 6, Spanky. Hey, thanks for watching D6 Spanky. This morning I am out at one of my favorite places. I'm at the junkyard. Pan around where I am. Oh, bright sun. Alright. So I have this friend who's a teacher, and she taught, we're friends because she taught my son. And anyway, she has a 2004 Impala. If you don't know, that's a Chevy. And it's silver. We couldn't find a silver car, but we did find one that's white, and she's fine with that. She got hit on the passenger side, on the fender front quarter panel. Anyway, we're gonna pull that. So I thought we're gonna pull that, and the bumper cover, the headlight was already taken off, which, but left behind, which was great because that's what I needed. Alright, I'll try and do the best video I can for you guys. There will be a bunch of background noise, and the light is extremely bright. So, let me show you quickly. Here's the panel. This one does have a slight dent in it, right about here, but and then some chipping here, but it's going to be way better condition than hers, and this is all within her budget. So we've got to take this panel off and then take the cover for this bumper off. We don't need any reinforcements. Hers is gone from about here out. So we're gonna take those off now. Up here there's 10mm screws that I took out yesterday, but I came right before they closed, so they had to close up shop. And then you have to take the hinge of the hood off. It is attached on the lower part by a rivet, so you need to take it off here. So be prepared to have something to hold up. Be prepared to have something to hold up the hood, because you're gonna. These two are already loosened. I'm gonna get these loosened as well, and that'll be the last thing I take off when I do this. So we're gonna take out the inner fender, or the inner wheel well. This here, there's some bolts that need to come out. There's these little bitty, teeny bolts here that are really pain. But anyway, we're gonna get on that. Alright, so Chevy apparently likes to use 7mm bolts. I did get a loaner drive from junkyard, thank goodness. So there's 4 on this side, one's on the black, it's still there. 3 on this side, so there's 3 underneath here. And there's one more. Where do I feel it? Oh, right here. So, sorry, let me back out so it's not so crazy. Let's see. Attach here. So there's one hidden up there. Then you can take this out and get to the other bolts you need. Alright, so we've gotten all the inner fender off. It's sitting there. I realize she probably doesn't have that. I didn't account for that in the budget. That might be a Christmas present. Because she's awesome. Okay, so we have the upper bolts off except for right at the hinge. And then so you pull down here and you look, and there's a bracket here. You get in here, this white bracket comes down and attaches here. Now that you got to get around everything. Of course, we're still all attached to the bumper as well. We don't need the reinforcements of the bumper, we just need plastic. So, but to get here, we're gonna go around this way. Take a look. There's bolts. There's a bolt here and one in, and I think these are 13mm. So we have to get this out of the way. So we need to pull this bracket here to get the windshield washer reservoir out of the way, and does she need a reservoir? Anyway, well, she probably does. So we'll take that bolt there out, get this pulled out of the way. So this bolt here is a 10mm. I am saving every one of these bolts because I don't know what she has on her car. So, okay, that is not letting it pull loose, so where else is that attached? Let's get over here and look. Alright, so we took that bolt out, and then there's a bolt holding it right here. And that should be it. Now to get to the upper bolt, we're going to have to take the horn out of the way, or bend this bracket out of the way, and take that bolt right there out. It also looks like another 10 millimeter, so we need to find a, we'll bend this out of the way. There we go. And get an extension and get in there and pop that thing off. I noticed in the pictures that this is smashed up, so we're going to go ahead and take that out for her. Okay, so we got that one out fine, and then there's just one more right here. It's a little harder to get to, but you can get to it kind of from either side, but this way, so that the light's already gone, is easier. You need a long-handled ratchet to get in here. Maybe not that long. Anyway, a little extra length wouldn't hurt to get in there and get it out from the other direction, from the wheel well. But also another 10 millimeter. Now, I just said that those were bolts underneath, but really they're kind of caps. They come off really easy. I'm going to be saving these too. Saving everything. Don't know what we have. Alright, so those two are off now, and we're going to take off this bolt, and that one is, what's it? 10. Alright, here are the last two bolts. It's right by where you jack up the car underneath. And then that should free it up. So I'll take those out, and then I'm going to find something to stick under here to support, well, on the other side to support it. And these are 10 millimeter bolts, by the way. Alright, so on these struts, you get here, you pry this little band out, and then you just hit it from the side and it pops off. So it's attached to a little ball here like that. And anyway, so now we're ready to take these two bolts off and these two bolts off and pull the fender. Alright, so I knew that there's something in the door I need to take off. I couldn't see it because there's this padding here. See if I can sneak in there. Okay, so there you see this black stuff on the inside. This padding here. Right about here, where this scratch comes from. Right down here, there's one of those caps that needs to come off. We'll look at it from the inside. We'll do a little well. And it is right there. There we go. So there's one bolt right there that was kind of hidden. Yay, we can take it off from this side. And then that's the last thing to come off. I've already lowered this down and these are off, so this is pretty much going to fall on my head when I do it. So hey, let's film it. Yay! Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/channel D6Spanky and on Twitter and Instagram at D6Spanky. If you would like to support me in putting out more videos, become a patron at patreon.com/d6spanky. Thanks again for watching. Let's go learn something.